Hi, I'm Adriene with Premier Trailer Leasing, and this Maintenance Minute starts now. Welcome to Maintenance Minute. Today, we're diving into the world of trailer doors, exploring the differences between roll or overhead doors and swing doors, and the implications they have for your logistics operations. Depending on the application, roll doors offer many benefits. Roll doors make it easy to park and access your cargo right from the dock. You don't have to move the trailers to open the door later for unloading. This is a great benefit for any drop and hook operation. Roll doors are also protected from the wind. That means you don't have to worry about gusts flinging a door open or shut, possibly injuring a team member or damaging the trailer. On the flip side, while roll doors optimize efficiency, they may lead to a loss in cube space. However, for many shippers, the benefits far outweigh this trade-off. Let's dive into swing doors for a moment. These doors, hinged on the sides, offer distinct advantages of their own. Firstly, their wider opening maximizes the trailer's cargo space and facilitates the seamless loading and unloading of larger loads. Because they rely on hinges rather than rollers, they tend to require less maintenance and generally have a lower upfront cost. However, it is important to note that swing doors require the door to be open prior to parking at the dock, a factor that warrants careful planning and execution to optimize workflow efficiency. Whether you opt for roll doors or swing doors, we are here to support your trailer needs. Our extensive fleet offers a variety of trailer options to suit your specific requirements. Choose the door type that best fits your operations. Also keep in mind that renting allows the flexibility to change equipment when your customers' needs change. Have a question? Just reach out. We're always here to help.